Let him fly like a butterfly, huh? Let him fly like a butterfly, huh? Pistol, pack and whistle, huh? Let him fly like a butterfly. Pussy boy, fucking pussy ass peanut butter. Pussy boy, let him fly. Butterfly, let him fly. Cripple ass nigga, let him fly. Paralyze his ass, let him fly. Pistol fucking packing, 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 let him fly. Pussy boy, look, one of those little squatter, let him fly. Like a pistol packing, let him fly. Like a pistol packing, let him fly. Like a pistol packing, let him fly. Fuck with the DA, he told me they can't control everything I fucking say. Fuck with the DA, he told me in the fucking box. Let him fly like a fucking break him out half fractions. Mama, look up to the fucking Lord. Look, fuck what the DA fucking told me. Look, fuck what the fucking DA told me. Look, fuck what the DA fucking told me. Look, break him out half fractions. Mama, look up to the Lord. Look up her, fucking cover his ass. Whistle fractions, pistol packing, baby girl. Pistol packing, look. Butterfly, chicken pussy boy. Pick him at half fractions, fat ass he's clapping, where the fuck she came from, look. Fat ass she's clapping, bitch ass, baby girl, look. Bitch ass, baby girl. Whistle packing is, look. Whistle packing, cripple his ass, cripple his ass. Give a fuck what he tracking. And when he looks up to the fucking demons, he's gonna whistle like a pistol packing. Pistol packing, paralyze his ass. Keyboard fucking, paralyze his ass. Keyboard, paralyzes his fucking ass. Look, yeah. Yeah, mama look up to the fucking little pistol packing, look, yeah, yeah, yeah.